Live from downtown Detroit, Local 4 News at 5:30 starts now.
A former Detroit police officer under arrest after allegedly firing an automatic assault rifle in his neighborhood. And that's just the beginning. Police also say he tried to drive drunk.
All this prompted the SWAT team to Detroit's west side for what could have been a standoff near Grand River and the Southfield Freeway. As Nick Monticelli reports, the bomb squad was also called in and was back at the property this afternoon after grenades were found.
It has been a slow and methodical search inside of this home off of Abington because the Detroit Police Department, the bomb squad, the SWAT teams, everyone knew that it could be a dangerous situation, especially because it could have been booby-trapped.
Quite frankly, he must have fired like at least 100 rounds last night.
The Grandmont neighborhood on Detroit's west side is one of the quieter neighborhoods in the city.
If they went in that backyard, they would see all of the shell casings. And now we come to find out that he has grenades in the house.
Except for last night. Around midnight, neighbors say they started hearing shots, but police were not called until 3:30 in the morning. They quickly realized they were dealing with a retired Detroit police officer. Other officers then saw him get into his car, and he tried to take off, but they stopped him immediately. They did a breathalyzer and arrested him for OWI. Police also say there is evidence he was shooting his gun overnight. He will likely be charged with reckless discharge of a firearm. That, though, is not the end of the story. Police started looking through his home, which is a fortress with 10-foot fencing and huge gates.
He has electrical wire around it too, on the outside, so you can't really go close to his property.
Inside, they found more than a dozen guns, including long guns, grenades, and a grenade launcher. The bomb squad was called. It turns out the grenades were never active. The ATF is now helping to determine if the guns and other items, like the grenade launcher, are legal.
An older type launcher is the type that affixed to a rifle to be launched from that projectile. So again, it doesn't appear that will be illegal again until we run the serial numbers to see where the origin of these come from.
On Detroit's west side, Nick Monticelli, Local 4.
The retired officer has not yet been charged, so we are not yet revealing his name, but we can tell you he's 56 years old, spent 27 years with the Detroit Police after retiring in 2013.